Hello everyone, I am Zubair Ahamad, pursuing BE Computer Science and Engineering 3rd year at SETHU Institute of Technology. Here I am going to present the PPT about test-driven development in Agile. Subject name Software Engineering Practices. So before getting into the topic, we should know about what is test-driven development. Test-driven development (TDD) is a software development approach in which test cases are developed to specify and validate what the code will do. In simple terms, test cases for each functionality are created and tested first, and if the test fails, then the new code is written in order to pass the test and making code simple and bug-free. So TDD starts with designing and developing testers for every small functionality of an application. TDD framework instructs developers to write a new code only if an automated test has failed. So there are some steps for test-driven development. First one is read, understand and act on requests for features of problems. And second one is write a test unit for translating the requirement. If you have enabled hard reload, the unit test will start but fail since the code has yet been implemented. Third one is the needed code is created and implemented. All testers should pause, repeat this step if not. And fourth one is reflect your code to make it easier to read. And fifth one is repeat, lather and again repeat. So this is the three phases of TDD: red, green and refactor. So here we are going to see about the three phases. Step 1, the red phase. The red phase shows that the code does not function properly. So you have to write a test in the red code. If it is not function properly, you have to write it again. And step 2, green phase. The green phase indicates that all is okay but not optimally. You have to write the code for the green phase. If it is not okay, you have to check it again. And step 3, blue phase. It is the blue phase, reworking or refactor. This shows that the test is factoring the code, but it shows that their code is covered by testers, allowing them to alter and enhance our code. It is automatically alter the codes properly. So now the benefits. What are the benefits of TDD? TDD is a programming technique that enables the developer to take a small step during building software. It gives a way to think through one's requirements or design before the developer writes functional code. Maybe there are chances of failure. In this case, it becomes easy to find and mix those defects in a developer had written to new lines of code than the 1000. TDD is most efficient and attractive way to proceed in smaller steps. So development expenses are reduced. The expenses for development is reduced and improve code quality. The quality of the code will be improved and quality is enhanced. The enhanced quality is enabled and shortened time to market. The market time will be shorter and favor bugs. Higher quality software. The software will be higher quality and focuses on single functionality at a given point in time. So now how to performance TDD test. So we are going to see the performance of TDD test. First one, add a test, and second one, run all testers and see if any new test fails, and third one, write some code, and fourth one, run testers and refactor code, and fifth one, repeat. This flowchart will show how to perform a test. And now levels of TDD. There are two levels of TDD. One is acceptance TDD and second one is developer TDD. So what is acceptance TDD? Acceptance TDD can write a single acceptance test. This test fulfills the requirement of the specification or satisfies the behavior of the system. After that, write just enough production or functionality code to fulfill the acceptance. Acceptance test focuses on the overall behavior of the system. ATDD, also known as behavior driven development BDD. So acceptance test focuses only overall behavior of the system. And now developer TDD. What is developer TDD? With developer TDD, you write single developer test, that is unit test, and then just enough production code to fulfill the test. The main goal of ATD and TDD is to specify detailed executable requirements for your solution on just-in-time JIT basis. The JIT means taking only those requirements in consideration that are needed in the system. So it increases the efficiency. And this flowchart defines the differences between acceptance TDD and developer TDD. So now the advantages. The advantages of TDD. Early bug notification, better design, cleaner and more extensible code, confidence of refactor, good for teamwork and good for developers. The advantages are the notification bugs are very early and the refactor to confidence. We are having refactor the code confidently and the teamwork is good and developer basis is good. Thank you.